mixed rice or poha. Today I am going to show you a very simple recipe. Let's get started. First I am going to roast the pressed rice. So to a hot pan, add 3 cups of poha. Roast it for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. It's roasted now and keep it aside. To a hot pan, I am adding 1 cup of water, then 150 grams of jaggery. Let the jaggery melt completely. It has melted, so boil it for another 2 minutes. It's ready now, keep it aside. To a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, then chopped 2 bananas. Roast it for 6 to 7 minutes. Add crushed cardamoms. Now I am going to add the roasted poha. Mix well. Then adding strained melted jaggery. Mixing all these together. It has come out very well. Let it cool for some time. After 10 minutes, just roll it into small ladoos. This is a very simple and tasty recipe of poha. You must try. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.